Want to find and delete all viruses on your iPhone? In this video, I will show you step by step on how you can do that. First thing you want to do is launch open your settings, then scroll all the way down and tap on apps. Now from this list of application, you want to scroll down and find Safari, then tap on that. Now at the bottom, you will find the option of advanced, tap on that. Now select website data, select that. Here you have the option of remove all website data. Go ahead and tap on that. Now tap on remove all. This clears out malicious sites that may have caused pop-ups or fake virus alerts. Next thing you want to do is open up your app library, then scroll down and find the Files app. Now head over to downloads. You want to look for any suspicious files that you don't recognize. To be safe, you want to tap on the three dots, then tap on the select option and select any suspicious files. Then go ahead and tap on the delete option. This is going to wipe out hidden malware files. Next thing you want to do is head over to your settings again. Now tap on general, then tap on software update. Now install the latest iOS version since updates include important security patches that removes threats. Next thing you want to do is restart your iPhone. For that, hold the volume up plus side button, power it off and turn it back again. If you still suspect a virus, take your device to an Apple store. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.